Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week for my Halloween special I am going to be making Eerie eyeball pops. The first thing I'm going to do is melt 100 grams of milk chocolate. I melted my chocolate in the microwave for 2 minutes. I'm now going to place it to one side. Into my blender, I'm going to add 100 grams of Madeira cake, a 100 grams of Oreos, and my melted milk chocolate. I'm now going to take my cake mixture and roll it into balls the size of a walnut. I'm now going to put these in the fridge to chill for 2 hours. Into my glass bowl, I am going to add 200 grams of white chocolate. Melt in the microwave for 2 minutes. My chocolate has now melted. I'm going to leave it to one side to cool. My cake has now chilled in the fridge for 2 hours. I'm going to take my cake mixtures and a cocktail stick and push it in to the bottom of the cake pop. I'm now going to take my cakes and cover them in white chocolate. Add a smartie onto the front. I am now going to put my eyes into the fridge so the chocolate can set. Now that my eyes have set, the final thing I'm going to do is take my red icing pen and add some lines on it to make them look like eyes, and then I'm going to add a little pupil on the front. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy Halloween!